Well, hey guys, welcome back. I've been asked several times, how do you tie the Texas rig? Y'all watched my fishing videos and y'all seen me do some worm fishing, fishing with lizards. And finally today I'm going to get around and showing you how I actually tie the Texas rig. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a bullet weight. And I like to use these offset hooks. And of course a piece of plastic. I've just got a black worm here, so. Alright, let's get started. And if you'll hang around to the end, I'll give you a pointer on how to fish it, and I'll show you a quick video clip of me actually fishing it. So what we want to do is we want to take our bullet weight. We want to put it on point first. So just like that. Next thing we want to do is we want to tie our hook on. Now I'm not going to get into the different knots. What I tell people, just use your favorite knot. There's not a right or wrong. I personally use a slip knot. Some use a polymer knot. There's plenty of videos out there on how to tie a knot. So I just quickly tie me a slip knot. And I cinch it down good. And I take a pair of clippers and just clip the end off like that. Okay, the way I hook this, what I do is I just start and I go in just a little ways till it comes out. Now, next thing I do is the bend in the hook, I like to pull it all the way up over the bend, just like that. And then I pull the worm or your piece of plastic back just a little bit, and then I hook it right into the plastic so it looks just like that. So the way this thing is, when you throw it in, that weight will slide right there, and of course you want the point first so it'll go right through the grass or any kind of structure you got. So the way I like to fish this is I cast it to wherever I'm going to cast to. I let it fall to the bottom, then I slowly lift my rod tip up, and then I let it fall. And while I'm letting it fall, I reel in the slack. Then I just keep doing that. Here's a quick video clip for you to watch on how I actually do fish this. There we go. Put on a like kind of a pumpkin seed lizard, throwing it right up there against that grass and letting it drop to the bottom, pulling it real slow through there, and he nailed it. Well, hey, I hope this helped you out. I hope you learned something today. If you did, hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.